Well, YouTube, welcome back. Today, doing more stuff on the 99 Silverado. This has roll-up bed cover. It has not been staying down for the last couple years. The hook part of the velcro no longer hooks. And as you can see, it doesn't hold. So after doing a little Google research, turns out the new Velcro is not expensive at all, or the hook side of it, I guess I should say. This comes from a website called eTrailer. The reviews are very good. We'll see how it fits. But this half of the Velcro is $29 plus some shipping. Very reasonable. They also sell other parts like these hooks. I notice that I do have one kind of broken hook there. And according to the instructions, this is super easy. The instructions say to remove this end cap right here. And this one Phillips head screw here. Then we should be able to just slide this Velcro right out. It does not say how to go about removing this end piece. Oh, that's easy enough. This is what that screw looks like. Then they, excuse me, recommend trimming it back 9/16 of an inch. Guess we can get all technical here. If I had tin snip would probably work better, but we'll try this. Side cutter here. Seems to be working pretty good. Apparently, some of the older and newer models have a hammer and rivet, or else a tab that's pushed down. definitely far better. Wish I'd have known it was this easy a long time ago. This easy and cheap. Hope this helps. Appreciate you watching, subscribing, liking, comments, all of that. So, talk to you in the next one.